Our weather reporter, Chief Meteorologist Dan Cianca. Dan, what are you tracking?
Well, Aaron, the rain moving in tonight, all associated with a big area of low pressure off to our northwest. This area is packed with cold air. There's a lot of energy with this system, not necessarily a ton of moisture, which is some good news for our burn scars, because with a system with this much energy, if it did have a good moisture tap, then we would be concerned, as it does have the ability to put down a lot of rainfall. But as it stands, it's a colder core system, and while it is energetic, that energy will be more focused on creating thunderstorms, maybe even some hail across the region. So let's take a look at what's going on out there right now. This thing's slowly moving to the southeast, so basically right toward us, and it is going to slide down along the coast as we head through the day tomorrow. The front side disturbance right here, you can pick out this grouping of clouds, is what is impacting us right now. And as we zoom in a little bit, you can see the rain associated with this starting to move its way through the Monterey Bay area, already around the Monterey Peninsula, up into the west side of Santa Cruz. This will fill in around the bay here over the next hour or so, and then eventually push farther inland to our inland valley locations. With this, again, moderate rainfall possible. There is some potential for lightning still. However, while this has made some lightning in the past out over the open water, we haven't seen much recently. But if you do hear thunder or see lightning, it's best to stay indoors for a half hour afterward. Make sure that you are safe, as lightning isn't always predictable where it's going to strike, so just keep that in mind. It could be you, and you don't want that to happen. So Futurecast showing that rain moving through for the next couple of hours. This is 10 p.m. Notice we're still in the thick of it, and then it moves farther inland as we head to 2 a.m. But behind this first wave of rain, I do expect the shower machine to keep going. We've got cold air being pushed over the relatively warm waters of the Pacific. I know every time you put your foot in the water, it doesn't feel warm, but relative to the air, it is warmer, and that helps generate some uplift. So that's going to keep showers developing, budding off of the water into the overnight hours. Those will continue to make landfall across the region. Some of those could have some small hail with them. The chance of lightning is out there as well, really all throughout the night tonight and into tomorrow. I'm not expecting a widespread lightning barrage, so that is some good news, but any one of these individual cells could have a lightning bolt or two. This is 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, still looking at scattered showers out there. We head to 11 a.m. tomorrow morning, still looking at scattered showers out there. We head to 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, still some scattered showers. So it's just going to keep going throughout the day, but all the while the snow level decreasing. Right now it's 29 degrees up on Chews Ridge in Monterey County. That's about right there, 4,800 feet. Mount Umunham in Santa Cruz County around 35 degrees. So, that's 3,300 feet. So the snow level still around probably 3,500 to 4,000 feet tonight. That will drop to 3,500 overnight. And tomorrow throughout the day, we're closer to 3,000 feet. Any one of these downdrafts or the cold air coming out of the storm could cause momentary cooling and allow for those snowflakes to reach even lower elevations. So we're talking perhaps the 1,700 or 1,800 foot summit of Highway 17. And while I'm not expecting accumulating snowfall there is potential for some snowflakes there, and obviously that could cause some road issues anytime throughout the day tomorrow. So just keep that in mind. Shower activity will start to wind down tomorrow night, but we'll see some reinvigoration of it, I think, as we head into Thursday afternoon. As the back end of the systems comes over, you can see a few more out there. So while most of this activity tomorrow, again, a few more showers may linger into Thursday. Total rainfall between now and then, a couple more inches possible in the coastal hills. Most cities around the bay may pick up a half an inch to an inch of rain, I think, in that period of time. And total snowfall, again, most locations seeing accumulating snowfall, we're going to be above 3,000 feet in elevation. That precludes most of the Santa Cruz Mountains outside of Mount Umunham and Loma Prieta, but places in the Diablos and San Benito County and also the Santa Lucias could definitely see several inches of snow. Again, that's above where most of us live and drive, but either way, you may see some paint on the hills. Temperatures tomorrow, got to go through these pretty quickly, are going to be chilly. You'll see highs in the 50s for the most part, even 40s in the higher elevation. Santa Cruz only 53 tomorrow, 52 in Watsonville, Salinas and Hollister only in the mid-50s. Same in Gilroy, Monterey and the peninsula and thereabouts, highs in the low to mid-50s tomorrow. Very cool for this time of year. In some cases 10 degrees below normal. And farther south, we're not going to get into the 60s either, just 50s out there. Over the next 7 days, as I mentioned, a few showers linger into Thursday. They'll be dry on Friday and Saturday with slightly warmer temperatures. Another weather system will slide through. It looks like on Sunday. We had some hints of this yesterday. It's looking a little bit more defined now. That could be late Sunday into Monday, so watch out for some additional rainfall coming out of the weekend. Inland areas also, very similar situation. You're chilly, you're breezy, you're showery tomorrow into Thursday. We've got another chance of rain coming this weekend, and of course, daylight saving time begins. So spring forward when you go to bed on Saturday night into Sunday morning. We're back after this.